Welcome back everyone. In my previous video, I showed you how I made basic pizza dough. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pretty simple pizza sauce. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I'm going to add one 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Next, I'm going to add 6 ounces of tomato paste. And using a whisk, I'm going to get this mixed up and well combined. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of sweet basil. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Once again, I'm going to take my whisk and mix everything until everything's well mixed and combined. I have my pizza sauce and all of its ingredients well combined, so it's ready to go. Now from here, I'm just going to place some saran wrap over it and store it until I'm ready to use it here in a little bit for my pizzas. But if you're not going to use it immediately, you'll want to put it in a container and seal it in the lid and put it in the fridge. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video and thank you for joining me. Until next time, guys. Bye.